Shit get hectic over here. I'm not these other bitches, pretty bubble poison, baby. I probably kill a nigga, Chuck.
Now, begging, this is Jasmine, the CEO of Melanin Dior LLC. Make sure you go check out all my other videos. And we're about to get this video on started.
30.
You said it is from 9 a.m. to 5:30?
Yeah, it's going to be temporarily from 9 a.m. until 5:30. It says here until further notice.
Okay, thank you.
Alright, you're welcome.
We gotta move quick then. What time is it?
It's okay. It's only 4. We still got time.
Shit.
Why we gotta move quick?
Cause I ain't know. We got 5:30. We gotta go up in there and set everything good.
Babe, I don't. It's okay. I can do a little stuff right now and do the next.
Joey!
Ain't nobody about to be rushing. We know.
I like to get up. That's why I get up early in the morning. I get up when they up in the office. I'm here. But me and you different. Me and you different.
I didn't go to sleep till 5.
I ain't go to sleep, baby, at 8.
You used to it. I was video editing and stuff.
I'm glad you called too. We've been stuck in that game. Technically not really.
Well, you know, we typed our thing, so they probably would have seen we ain't logged back out to get out.
See, you thinking smart. They don't think that. You always get a benefit of doubt because you be thinking smart. They would probably see, oh, they ain't out the gate yet. They locked us in like last time we had to call.
They ain't got no after. Well, last time we had to, that wasn't here.
I know, but the other side, you would think they know. Oh, they logged
At
in.
least they got after hour access, you know, to call
People,
somebody.
yeah,
Yeah.
Take me there when I think about you. When I think about you, how you take me there. When I think about you, I ain't never gonna go nowhere. Yeah, we could get. Yeah, we could get. Yeah, we could get. Yeah, we could get. We could do it morning, evening, through the night. We could do it morning, evening, through the night. We could take it fast and slow, fast as.
Look
I use that.
Look how low this is.
You carry it. I use that. We'll see how I go.
Come on now. I should have picked that other one.
Look, I'm
This
tall.
don't
Look.
extend.
No, look. You push it like this.
Look how short this is. I should have just got my wagon.
You sound like you ungrateful.
No. Look at this. This boy. Look at that.
Oh, you weren't just saying that though when you had to carry them things.
Can't extend it. It come in handy though. I'm gonna see after this. Am I gonna take it back? This is her size. This is Peyton. This is her. This is shorter than hers. Peyton, stop.
She appreciate
In the Amazon box. Get out here, babe.
I had to go low. Pretty low for that.
I know. This thing is so hot.
It's good though.
Look at this. This boy.
What is those portable? Put it up.
This boy is small as hell.
You was running. Yeah, that shirt on backwards. Oh no. Man, this might be a little empty in the front.
Hold up, it's good.
Baby, we got the 5:30. Why you checking your house in there?
Wait, Carlos, I do a lot within an hour and 30 minutes.
That's gonna fall at the front. Let's stay.
Man, this boy,
Yo, because you can't take too much at one time. That's
tiny
all.
ass thing. Goddamn.
Come on, Okay.
I did a lot an hour. This flatbed, as you can see, is tiny as hell.
You ordered it?
This is way easier than having to carry something.
Go left. Right, go left.
Right here.
Oh, right.
Elevator.
Oh, go right. You're right, daughter. Good job.
Right here on the elevator, Peyton.
Wait, daughter.
Yeah, last time we was here for an hour and 30. I got a lot done. Yay! Yeah, they gotta get that gate fixed. We don't have these problems at the other storage.
You gotta get the key.
Go ahead and jumble it up.
I want the key. I want like the watching.
Okay,
This is called my key. This is my key. I got it.
Twist it other way.
I got
You gotta twist it the right way. Come on, oh, you gotta twist it.
you have to pay her own storage. She had me fooling.
Huh?
Yeah, her own office.
Playroom storage.
Mama didn't find no mint.
It is mint. Got some fresh boxes. We about to get these boxes up out of here. Looks very small in here right now.
Yeah.
So many boxes in it.
Man,
Babe.
I'll take a little bit.
Y'all gonna wait to bite into it. I'll make sure I'm in view.
Think about you, and you take me there. When I think about you, when I think about you, how you take me. We could do it morning, evening, through the night. We could take it fast and slow, fast as fast as. Yeah, we could get. Yeah, we could get. Yeah, we could get. Yeah, we could get. Think about you, and you take me there. When I think about you, when I think about you, how you take me there. When I think about you, I ain't never gonna go nowhere. We could do it morning, evening, through the night. We could take it fast and slow, fast as fast as. Yeah, we could get. Yeah, we could get. Yeah, we could get. We could do it morning, evening, through the night. We could take it fast and slow, fast as fast as. Yeah, we could get. Yeah, we could get. Yeah, we could get. Yeah, we could get. Think about you, and you take me there. When I think about you, when I think about you, how you take me there. When I think about you, I ain't never gonna go nowhere. We could do it morning, evening, through the night. We could take it fast and slow, fast as fast as. Yeah, we could get. Yeah, we could get. Yeah, we could get. Yeah, we could get. Think about you, and you take me there. When I think about you, when I think about you, how you take me there. When I think about you, I ain't never gonna go nowhere. We could do it morning, evening, through the night. We could take it fast and slow, fast as fast as. Yeah, we could get. Yeah, we could get. Yeah, we could get. Yeah, we could get. Think about you, and you take me there. When I think about you, when I think about you, how you take me there. When I think about you, I ain't never gonna go nowhere. We could do it morning, evening, through the night. We could take it fast and slow, fast as fast as. Yeah, we could get. Yeah, we could get. Yeah, we could get. Yeah, we could get. Think about you, and you take me there. When I think about you, when I think about you.
Man, fucked around and fell in love. Oh man, silly me, fiending for your soul, baby.